preparing for the hurricane. Mr. Milton coming. So what I'm trying to do is strap down the boat. So I don't know what angle the hurricane will come at. Right? So, one strap here, one that corner. And if I get flood, I'm gonna release the boat and jump in the boat. Good, next up. Come. Strap the engine there. Back here. Strap down the boat. Last year, remember, tie down the boat in the back. This year, can't move the boat there because I'm going to stay right here. Trapping it up. No way. Alright. So we're gonna put a strap. This one. Strap down this one, so you're gonna see. Hope it don't blow away. Get palm right there.
Look, this one who wants to get for now. Watch this up by it. Alright.
So
I'll go follow.
let's see what's going on here now.
Yes, by the strap down he both sides.
Mom, right?
Yeah.
So what do you expect? Heavy rain or heavy wind?
We gonna get heavy wind and rain both. You gonna kind of break up before you reach here, but still, you know, you'll get a wind. A wind that will be 100 something miles per hour, so you gotta be careful for that, you know. Hard.
Taking safety latches and latches it down. That's that. So they both done strapped down. So I'm over by mom here. Right. So we open this gate here. Let me show you. All the garbage can gonna go inside. Right. We open out this gate here. And my brother clip out all the papaya tree leaf because they're gonna get damaged up. Leaf, right? All mom greens garden gone. Take out all, turn over this 2.5 barrel here. Everything there inside here, right? So we in full hurricane preparation mode, preparing up here, move out a lot of pots, right? Get mom chilling there, take out all the bench and table and so. Yeah, more leaf. So as I'm driving, I'm gonna show you some stuff to how people preparing up, but that's how mom and my brother prepare up over here. Done secure the boat there. So I'm driving. See some people that board up. Driving, going home. Oh, this guy here. This house completely boarded up. See that? Now let's see what we can see. This is in the subdivision here. So I done secure the boat. So this is another house here that they prepare up a little bit. You can see plywood on the window there. Plywood in the front. This is another one here. Plywood in the front. See? People put sandbag like that. Sandbag in the front. A lot of preparation going on here. So today is Tuesday afternoon, right? Tomorrow is Wednesday. So they said the storm is gonna hit tomorrow afternoon. Everybody preparing up right now. Nobody preparing up yet, and you can see the sky relatively calm. So this is the calm before the storm. Alright guys, hope you guys stay safe for the hurricane if you're living in Florida, right? If you guys are in Central Florida, please be safe. This is just a little quick video showing how we prepare up for the hurricane. Make sure everything's secure up with my boat and stuff. And I'm going home now. I see some more people here. Check this out. Oh, these guys here. More plywood. Right now they're doing it. I'm driving through the subdivision here. Alright, just a quick little hurricane preparation update for you guys. Gonna video some stuff tomorrow and bring it and show you guys. Catch you guys in the next Hurricane Milton video.